Hello guys, today I want to tell you how to make your browser on PC just like you view on your mobile phone display. And how to do that, I will show you. And how to do that, of course, for this example I want to use Google Chrome. You can see this is the display of the default view of browser, PC or computer on Google Chrome, and we can go here, customize and control Google Chrome by click the three dots, and then we can go more tool and we can click the developer tool, and when we click on it we can find this is the mobile view, so that you can do this just like that. Only you can go to this three dot and click more tool and click developer tool, and you can find this is the display of your Google Chrome on mobile is like that, but you can see it on PC. It's like that. Or you can also click on your keyboard is F12 to make it instantly. To this mobile view, or you can switch again to your PC view or computer view. It's like that, and you can operate it according that you want, just like basically you do on surfing on internet, just like on Google or Facebook. Scroll down just like that, or YouTube you can go just like that. I think it's an easy way how to do that. You just can click that. Of course, this is only a file for Google Chrome, or maybe it can be apply again on another browser, but I'll just give you an example when you are using Google Chrome to make it easier. You can visit another website and do the same thing as before, just like go to the three dot, more tool and developer tool, and make it happen to your mobile device view. Okay guys, I think that's enough video that I can convey about it. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.